All right, welcome to part two of day two, talking conspiracies and theories. This is a part two because my mics died on part one, and that's not good. So, in part one, we ended on talking about the theory that the universe is alive when observed, right? All right. Let me just adjust my mics. So, universe being alive, I was talking about how when you observe the universe, it's only alive. So if I'm looking in front of me, this wall behind me could not even be real. I look at it, I don't see the wall in front of me. How do I know it's real? It's a very complicated theory, but it makes a bit of sense because there's another theory that the universe is conscious, has a conscience, and thinks and is alive. I mean, it is alive, but who knows if it thinks? It might. It probably does. It creates planets. It knows when planets have to die. It knows where to send black holes to take those dying planets, make room. What the fuck? Y'all hear that? My neighbor's brakes are dying. Yeah, so if you guys have seen Interstellar, it's it's a very complicated theory that the universe is conscious because it might not be the universe that has a conscience. It might be higher beings that have more dimensions. Like Interstellar said, we are three-dimensional beings. There could be four-dimensional beings. Those dimensions being, uh, what was it? Length, width, um, length, width, volume. No, let me search up what the I don't remember. But we have three dimensions. We live in three dimensions. I think it's like length, width, and height. That's what we're made of. That's why we're 3D. Two-dimensional beings would be length and width. So, like, if I draw a stick man on a piece of paper, he's two-dimensional. I'm a third higher dimension. If I put my finger on the paper, then he sees me in a two-dimensional way. Now, if I lift my finger and put it somewhere else, he doesn't see that I moved my finger. He thinks that my finger teleported. So it could be the same for us. Like in Interstellar, where the being four dimensional beings, they place a wormhole for what's the thing? I don't remember. But they place a wormhole for what's his name? It'll come to me. I forgot what his name was in the movie, but they give him a wormhole. They place it for him so that him and his crew could. Matthew McConaughey, yeah. Matthew McConaughey, I think. The four dimensional beings, their dimensions being length, width, height, and time. They have time as a dimension. See, it goes all the way up to 12 dimensions, which is God. God is everything. So those four-dimensional beings place the wormhole in next to Earth for Matthew McConaughey and his crew to go to other planets in search for life as Earth is dying and it's polluted, filled with dust storms and famine. So they go to Miller's planet. Miller's planet, it's around a black hole, so time is very bad there. An hour there is like a year on Earth. So yeah, it's a lot of. I don't want to get too deep into it. It's gonna be boring. But yeah, there's beings of other dimensions. There's 5 dimensions, 6, it goes all the way up to 12. My mailman is here and he just scared the crap out of me. Mailman just pulled up. What do you give me? Nothing important, alright. So yeah, the universe might not be conscious. It might be. Maybe the universe is those higher beings. Because there's also a dark spot.
I don't mommy and dad. Mommy and dad.
So yeah, those beings placed it for them. They could be the universe. But there's another theory that there's higher life in our universe and there could be evidence of them, as there's a dark spot in our sky that could be aliens, as I would like to say, or beings that have perfected some sort of cloaking device and are hiding from something that hunts in the universe. Basically just Galactus. Yeah, the Marvel universe is funny, but that's a conversation for another time. Right now, we're talking about the universe, space, very creepy, very scary. It's huge, massive even. Peak reference. And yeah, if you like these videos, want more of them, sub, I don't know, watch it. Leave a comment, like, share it with some of your friends, parents, sons, cousins, I don't know. Share it with somebody who thinks, if you don't like it, share it with somebody who think will like it. I'm broke, help me make some money. That's it. And once again, this is for entertainment. And none of this is true, is real. Don't take me. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.